So today we're going to be taking a look at one of the new products that we're bringing to the market. These are the all-surface protection sheets called Full Guard. These are the sheets that you would use for protecting surfaces such as floors, walls, cabinets, furniture, stairs, or any other surface that you might need to protect during one of your projects, such as DIY, home appliance installation, moving, renovation, remodeling, or new construction. Now, unlike many other products that are on the market these days that are made from only one material, such as compressed paperboard sheets or corrugated plastic sheets, our product is made of 3 distinct layers that offer unique features and benefits. The top layer is a thin polyethylene film layer, which is completely waterproof as long as it is not punctured or cut. It prevents water from penetrating the sheet and protects your floor from getting wet throughout your project. The surface layer also features diamond embossing, which helps to reduce the potential of slipping in case of spillage of liquids or dirt on the surface. The middle layer is a recycled paper layer, which is 39 mil thick and provides added strength and rigidity, as well as helping to reduce potential damage from impacts and scratches. The bottom and final layer is a 79 mil thick foamed polyethylene sheet, which was designed to help cushion impacts and prevent slipping and sliding of the sheets on your surfaces. So one of the things that we noticed with the most commonly used surface protection materials in the industry today is that when they are placed down onto the floor and taped down, they still tend to shift around and move around a lot, which is going to require you to replace them or retape them multiple times through the timeline of the project, which is going to add additional cost and time. However, with something like the Full Guard surface protection sheets, thanks to the thick foamed polyethylene sheet on the bottom layer, we have been able to reduce the slipping and sliding that you commonly see with these kinds of products by a significant margin. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to go ahead and place down one of these sheets of Full Guard onto the floor. I'm going to simply apply basic sudden pressure to it with my foot. And you can see that even though it does slide around a little bit, it is not significant compared to other materials that are on the market. By simply walking in it, I do not feel like it's going to slide out from under me and cause me to fall down and get hurt. A more extreme example would be a walking jump. So if I'm walking and I jump onto the sheet, you can see that it does not move much at all. In comparison, if we go ahead and take something like a basic 39 mil thick compressed paperboard sheet that is a common material that is used in surface protection, and would place it down onto the floor without taping it, and I simply apply pressure to it with my foot, and you see that it slides around, causing potential risk of tripping and slipping on the floor. And of course, if we do a walking jump, it is like sliding on ice. This, of course, is going to be a significant safety hazard if somebody forgets to tape it down, or if you haven't gotten around to it, or if the tape has let go and somebody's walking, they can potentially slip, fall, and get hurt. This is one of the reasons why we decided to create a product that is not going to only protect your surfaces, but is also going to reduce the potential safety hazards on your job site. So whether you're looking to protect your floors, your walls, your stairs, doorways, cabinets, or any other surface that needs protection during one of your projects, Full Guard is one of the safest and best choices on the market. And if you are looking to find out more information about this product or any of the other great products that we carry, or how to purchase them, go ahead and visit us at victorybear.com or contact us directly.